listen. Semi-auto, no I'm home, no Murado, her body art, I'm Leonardo, and she scream that she mine, 100 racks ain't no dime, automata waste my time, I just put ice all on her neck, she know she mine, she pull commas in on the check, she don't need mine, I just bought a brand new lingerie, she know she fine.
Come on in. Welcome back, cousins. Welcome back. So today I'm actually reviewing some more hair from a beauty supply store. In the last video we talked about this hair, which I will be doing another video on to give you guys an update. This is the Bobby Boss bundles, but if you want to know more about this hair, go and watch the last video and then come back here. But today I am going to be reviewing the boutique bundle. If you have never seen this before, this is what it is. All right, so I see here they have several colors. They have natural black, they got the 613, it has mint frost, musk violet. So it's a human hair and premium fiber blend. It comes with 3 bundles and a 4x4 lace closure. I mean, you know, shoot. And then it's got like the hair care stuff down here. I mean, baby, if you know what you're doing, then you know what you're doing. But if not, read the instructions. But we got this hair in mustard yellow. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the review for this hair. So we actually got this hair for my sister, which you will be seeing it on her. I will link her YouTube channel because she will be putting up some videos and you will be seeing that hair. You can follow her on Instagram, hit up her Facebook page, or you can go to her website, cosmic-chemic-intuitions-tarot.com. And judging by the name, y'all already know what time that is. But again, like I said, I'll link all her information below in the bio so you can experience what Bree the Empress has to offer. But let's go ahead and get into this little bad boy here. So let me go ahead and show y'all what this looks like now that I've actually constructed the unit. All right, y'all. So this is her. This is the mustard yellow sensational wig. I just finished constructing it, so there's nothing really complete about it, but y'all can see exactly how frizzy it is on the ends and whatnot. It is a synthetic wig, so I mean, you know, like I said, premium fiber blend and all that bull slap. But this is her. This is definitely her. Let me check out how the parting goes for this. Oh my god, I keep catching on to my nails. But yeah, y'all, this is the closure. Little basic 4x4 closure on her, you know what I'm saying? And she will be getting styled and installed, you know? But yeah, this is her. This is her. Let me step back and let you see little mustard yellow. Was the wig fully constructed with a 4x4 closure. I did use all 3 bundles. This is pretty much all that was left from the 3 bundles. And you can see how kind of really super thin the tracks are. Like, it's real. Oh my god. Yeah, it's real thin. I mean, it's definitely something that you would expect from, you know, this type of wig. I actually got this from a beauty supply store called, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, it's called Arbordale. I'm gonna put the name somewhere up on the screen. Like, don't come on now, don't even send for me, sis, because I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. But I got it from Arbordale, and it is in Florida. For all my Florida ladies who might want to go and check that out. Cost wise, it was plus tax, it was like $33 or $34. I don't even know whether to tell you that it's bad or it's good. I mean, if you know how to manage those tangles and, you know, the flyaways, I'm actually gonna put some product in it to see how it reacts with it. All right, so that was the before and after. Let me see, actually using this is called Hawaiian Silky. This is what she just used on it. On the left side, of course, that was the untreated side, and then she put the Hawaiian Silky on the right hand side, and you can see the difference with the amount of frizz and flyaways to how more structured the cuticles looked on the other side. So once she actually fully installs this unit and, you know, get her shushed like it's supposed to be, I'm definitely gonna let y'all see that. I'm gonna probably update it in a reel, or you can just follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and all that. Well, I'll definitely tag her there so you can see it, or I can just come back with another video and put her in here so y'all can see that. Honestly, quality wise, how it feels to me and just initially how it looks, that versus an actual like fully synthetic wig that you would buy, I feel as though the synthetic wigs might work a little bit better, but you never know. You probably won't be able to find a synthetic wig that actually looks like that. Even though the tracks are really thin, just looking at the entire wig, the wig itself does not look pretty thin. It actually looks like it has a lot of volume, because I know there's some people that's interested in seeing it, because you know, maybe some of us ain't got $100 to go get, you know, her, so we probably got $100 to go get her. So, you know, just trying to help my girls out, you know, how you can get your beauty on a budget, because a lot of us is on a budget. We are still in the middle of a pandemic, so a lot of us are still on a goddamn budget. So, yeah, so I will come back and I will update y'all in another video and let y'all see this. Or actually, I'll just insert the pictures at the end of this video. So, I mean, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Or let me know if you have actually tried this hair. What color did you get? How long have you had it in? Or have you tried anything similar to this? Basically, the hair that's on the outside of the counter when you walk in a beauty supply store, because we all know that the hair that's behind the counter has a little bit more quality. There has been some trash hair that was behind the counter, but the majority of them have a little bit more quality than what's actually on the outside. Comment and subscribe, hit that notification bell, because when I come back, the next update is going to be on her and how she was holding a man, say man, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I know you love me, you gon' ride for me. Pull up in them skis, you gon' slide for me. Feel like a machine, who gon' grind for me? You don't love me if you wouldn't do that time for me. Benjamins and that still when I ride on me. No red lights, if I stop, they might just fire on me. Won't be no set, so you know I'ma keep that fire on me. Hoodie mellow when you shoot, if you gon' ride for me. And every time you shoot, you